How do you design for cognitive disabilities? For many people, navigating complex or unpredictable layouts can be overwhelming and disorienting. This is why simplicity, clarity, and consistency are important in our designs. Designing for cognitive accessibility isn't about dumbing down our work. It's about making our designs more intuitive for everyone. During the design phase, we should use straightforward language, consistent layouts, and clear instructions to create an environment where users can focus on the content rather than trying to figure out how to navigate through it. For example, breaking information into small, digestible chunks can help users process it more easily. Visual cues, such as icons paired with text, can also enhance understanding. Everyone benefits from clear, predictable interfaces. When we prioritize cognitive accessibility from the start, we create digital experiences that are inclusive, engaging, and user-friendly for the broadest possible audience. Accessible web. Web accessibility made simple. Explore our tools, services, and education offerings.